came across an interesting article somebody sent to me from Repair Pricer, which is how much a home inspection costs.
Yes, it gets the information from Home Advisor. So when you Google it, it's going to give you $279 to $399. But the problem with it being from Home Advisor is there are 15,000 home inspections a day across the United States. They're only taking average from 25,000 inspections. It's really not a reliable average.
Right, and when you really look at it, after you do that Google search, it's saying that it's the average lowest cost of a booked home inspection through Home Advisor. See, there's a lot of filters there. So how much does a home inspection actually cost?
Doesn't matter.
You shouldn't care.
You really shouldn't care.
When you're pricing a home inspection, when you're getting a quote, here's what you should look for. Typically a home inspector is going to have it categorized by square footage, age of the home, which is very important, foundation type, and your location. So if your home inspector is not itemizing your quote in those categories, you probably should have a little bit of a red flag.
That's me waving it.
Yeah, it's a red flag.
Yeah.
And so typically a home inspector is going to find quite a bit more in terms of repairs if you're a buyer that you can use for negotiation, which is going to way more than pay for the home inspection.